Working outside, being active, you love that about your job. But all that carrying and lifting also takes a toll on your body, causing serious injuries over time. Meet the Isuit and Iwash, an innovative harness and pole set that makes window cleaning faster, cleaner, safer, greener, and better for everyone. The Isuit improves safety by doing the heavy lifting for you. The patented harness reduces the physical strain of the telescopic pole by 50%. This makes your job less demanding and a lot less tiring. And combined with the unique prism glasses, you don't even have to bend your neck. Just look straight ahead and the glasses provides perfect eyesight at the windows above. With the Iwash Pro Reach pole, you'll work a lot faster. The lightweight and rigid carbon water-fed pole has smart clamps, offering great ease of use and prevents spinning levers, saving you a lot of messing around. With the Iwash, you can keep your feet on the ground and work at heights up to 15 meters using just one telescopic pole set and up to 18 meters with 2 extra modular poles. The set offers a wide variety of brushes and goosenecks, improving your cleaning. Being click and play and easy adjustable, they are equally easy to work with. The service box for the Iwash provides something you need for every job you come across. And it saves the environment too. With the smaller pencil jest, for instance, your water usage can drop by 20%. With the Isuit and the Iwash, you'll make your work faster, cleaner, safer and greener, and thus better for everyone. Get your Isuit and Iwash now at iteamglobal.com.